Hello, friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I've got some exciting news for you. If you're looking for a way to use ChatGPT 4 for free, you've come to the right place. Yes, you heard it right, absolutely free, without spending a dime. So, let's dive into it. Now, the magic happens on a website called Dara. This is hands down the best platform, and the results are simply shocking. You'll find the link in the description below. All you need to do is sign up using your Google account, and you're good to go. Now, let me show you how it works. Once you're logged in, you can easily click on the upload file icon. ChatGPT works seamlessly with it, and kudos to Dara for making it user-friendly. And here we have it, ChatGPT 4 in action. See, it clearly says ChatGPT 4. The capabilities are impressive, and you can experience it all for free. Now, let me quickly demonstrate how it works. You can see, it's as simple as that. Dara has really nailed it here, providing an excellent platform for everyone to access ChatGPT 4 without any cost. I hope you find this helpful in unlocking the power of ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my new channel. Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and as always, your support means the world to me.